Hey guys, today we're going to be making slime. We accidentally made it a little bit, but I didn't use mine yet, so yeah, let's get started. Honey, I like comment down below if you like eye contact.
Comment down below if you like glittery glue. And I got pink and she has blue.
Yeah, blue, because y'all know I love blue.
I love pink. Yeah.
So guys.
Yes ma'am. Let me see the eye contact solution.
Guys, this is so cool.
Mine is basically almost done.
Mine too. I'm just not putting that much in there. It's working, guys. What?
Mine's
Put whole.
See, I would love
Not
to
gonna-
play with it, but I need to keep on staring it. Cause look, it is already slime. I just gotta keep on
Putting Shed McGree.
Ooh. I just gotta keep on staring it until it stops getting. Okay. This is my last time putting shaving cream. Cause look at all this shaving cream on my edge that I need to get the crispness of. See, look, mine is already slime.
Mine too, guys.
Look.
Comment down below if you like it.
Comment down
Like
below
it.
whose is best.
Like it. If you like blue, comment me.
And if you like pink, comment down me.
Or you can comment down both of us.
Oh wow, this looks pretty good.
Because the shaving cream's making it good.
You put some shaving cream with the other in there.
I should have, but I didn't. I thought
Still
everybody.
can, can't you?
No, but it's already slime, so yeah, it works.
Why are you still putting glue in there?
I'm putting glue in it so I can make it bigger. Like,
Look, guys, I'm
just
basically
put
already
one
done,
bottle.
but I'm gonna play with a little bit. Ooh, it's
I don't
slime.
trust these kind of slimes, but now I do. Comment down below.
Y'all run out of shaving cream.
No, I just have to shake it. Oh my god, shaving cream's on you. Comment down below if you're avoiding the new shaving cream.
What?
So guys, we're making slime. Guys, I don't know, but my hands are getting dirty.
Mine is too.
You should put more glue in yours to make it
I
better.
already put some glue on mine.
Okay, this is the last part I'm making of this. And I'm probably done making slime.
But you just gotta keep on doing it until your slime is not sticky. Oh,
Mine's not.
that's all over my hands.
No.
She just got shaving cream. I got a little bit of slime.
Oh. It's slime, guys.
Mine is. Oh my gosh.
Guys, guess what? I can play with it.
Gosh, mine is sticky. Can you put the eye contact solution in mine? Oh my gosh.
Guys, I made slime. There's just a lot of shaving cream in it, but it's not sticky. she has a lot. Oh my god. Time. You need you need shaving cream. She probably messed
Okay,
up
put
with-
some of the shaving cream in my hand.
Okay. Get this off mine. Get the slime off of my hands. Yes. Okay, let me do it. I might have a little bit time of making some stuff. Okay.
Shake it first. And squirt it.
guys, I think I'm done making my slime because my slime is working, perfectly working.
You pour a whole lot of this in my hand.
You
Look,
know,
Hugo already won, and she poured a whole lot of shaving
That's
cream.
how you make
in
it
my
not
hands.
sticky to your hands.
I think I gotta roll it.
Guys, comment down below if you like this one.
And I gotta fix mine.
So guys, I hope you like this video. I'm gonna wait until she is done with hers, because I don't know how many times I can actually hold this. So I gotta tell her.
Wait.
You gotta put shaving cream in hers.
So now you have 2 cars to insure.
I'm tired of working this. I gotta work it to not make it sticky.
Then you remember the general insurance. They can insure
I
multiple
put some eye contact solution in here.
Even if one driver has prior tickets or accidents?
Yup. Just write them up as online quote and your bill is solved.
Yes!
Let the general help make your life easy.
Hey, can you put some eye contact solution in mine?
Yep. I think you need more shaving cream.
I need eye
Look,
contact.
guys, comment down below. Wait.
Protect your pet with the number
We have to wait because
Comment down below, hit that bell and subscribe for more videos.
for nearly 20 years. Advil presents a big
And guys,
So let's end this video.
and guys, comment down below
Hit that bell and
what you
subscribe
think, which one you like.
about this slime. That's
And
not.
look, mine's is light pink. It look like, and mine is fluffy. Look,
Mine's
fluffy.
is fluffy.
Let me feel yours. Can you put yours on the table and do this?
Okay.
That's good.
During truck month, make no monthly payments for 90 days. See your Triad area Chevy dealer.
Fill your backpack with everything you need for back to school at Cook's Flea Market. Highway 52 North.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Open it on Saturdays.
I'm trying to get all of the
So
shaving
guys,
cream
let's
across
end
the
this
edges.
video.
And make sure you go hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below.
Bye.